Hello everyone, today, we have an exciting tutorial in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of logo design and showing you how to create a professional logo from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this video will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, create a project. Then enable rulers for reference in your logo. Next, add guides to the middle of your project board. Afterward, disable color fills for your subjects. Now, select the ellipse tool. Click on your board to create a circle of 300 by 300 points. Now, adjust the circle in the middle of your board using the guides. Next, select the ellipse tool again and create a circle of 220 by 220 points. Place it in the middle of the larger circle. Now, press Ctrl plus Alt and select the small circle, then drag it to the left side. This will create a copy of the circle without moving the original circle. Repeat this for the right, top, and bottom. Now, delete the first inner small circle. Select all the circles and choose the Shape Builder tool to remove unwanted shapes. Add colors to the shapes from the color swatches. Choose colors as you like. Remove the color from the outlines to make the logo smooth. Go to View, select Path, and then choose Offset Path for the logo. Set the value to -9. Remove the unwanted areas with the Shape Builder tool. Now, delete the outlines. Ungroup the logo and delete any unnecessary parts that you do not want in your logo. This looks good enough. The white background does not look appealing. Now we will add a background to our logo. Arrange your background and send it to the back of your logo, then adjust your background. Now, hide the guides. This is your new brand identity. You can use your imagination and creativity to create a logo for yourself. Happy designing!